Nevada 375 to the Little Ailey Inn. Should be 2.1 miles ahead here. All right. Blocking view. Hey, hey, hey. There's a plaque here. It talks about the Groom Mining District. Yeah. That was in good shape too. Oh. This is the Little Alien here. There it is, out in the middle of the desert. You can order food and they bring it outside. And nice little place in there. You got a bar, a little gift shop, everything you could possibly need. So there it is. We got the alien out here too. So, welcome Earthlings. Well, there you go. I consider myself an Earthling. So, and my fellow Earthlings too. So there it is here. Little alien. Nice place here. Actually, nice breeze here. So now our guy is playing up there. I don't know. He comes in with his motorcycle and some other guy, and he's playing all kind of instruments that he has in his car and doing all kinds of stuff up there. HAPI. You get it? Oh, okay. I saw it once on a festival in Germany.
stimulating.